All right, this is Dr. Bo Ellis again. I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite smoothies and how quick it is to make a smoothie. All right, I have a Ninja here, so I'm just going to grab a cup. I like to get the big one out. It has the max fill line right here. I like berries, so I have a triple berry blend. I like the frozen fruit because it lasts for as long as I need it to. Versus, fresh fruit. Fresh fruit is great also, it's just you have to use it sooner. And so I'm going to keep it down a little bit less than the max fill line. I would probably do it just a little bit less than that. I'll get rid of a strawberry or, yeah, that's probably good. And then I like almond almond milk, so I'm going to put some almond milk in there up to that max fill line and get it started. I like to shake it up a little bit because sometimes things settle at the bottom. Anyway, it takes about 5 minutes or less to really do a smoothie, as you can see. Now sometimes I'll add in a banana or half a banana and maybe a dash of vanilla. At this particular moment I don't have any vanilla, so I'm going to put a little bit of honey in. If you like a little bit sweeter smoothie, this is a good way to do it. So there you go, got a bit of honey in there. There's another thing that I will do occasionally, but I've already had a green drink earlier, and that is, this is one of my favorite green drinks, Fruits and Greens by Nutridyne. And it's got a ton of stuff in there. It's a pretty good product. It's not the best one on the market, but it tastes really good, and that gets me coming back and using it over and over again. So. And anyway, let's grab the top, put the top on. Oops, sorry. Let's put the bottom on. Make sure that's on nice and snug. All right, good. Pull this out. Make sure it's not leaking, and here we go. Plug your ears. Sometimes with frozen fruit, it kind of gets stuck in there and doesn't get chopped up really well, so I like to make sure it all gets chopped into small pieces or smoothed out. Seems like it's doing pretty good. Looks like I need to add a little bit more almond milk to it. So I'm just going to take this off and add just a little bit more almond milk. That should be enough. Otherwise, it's like a milkshake. I have to spoon it out of there. And good, nice and snug. And let's do it again. I can still see there's a little bit of honey here and here. Anyways, trying to get some of that to mix in there. Anyway, and that's it. That's done. And there we go. It's ready to drink almost. Put the top on. Set that down. And there we go. It's ready to go. Put everything back. I'll be washing a couple things here and we'll be all done. Thanks for watching.